going to show you how to get a sparkle look with your buttons. I have these laminated sheets. I will post the link in the comments, and each one of these has a different pattern. So you can see this one has stars. Oh, it's so pretty. This one's my favorite. This one is a crushed glass, shattered glass look. This one is your typical dots common pattern. And this one is more of a holographic laser pattern. So let's make some sparkle buttons. Just going to cut out the image first. These are just images I've stamped out on the ribbon that I'm cutting out. You can also do this with paper. I've done it both ways. And you can do this without cutting them out first. You can laminate them and then cut them out. I like to cut them out first because then I don't waste as much of the laminated sheets because they cost money, so don't need to waste. Okay, we have all of our pieces cut. Now we're gonna laminate them. So you're just gonna peel off the back. And this mat that I'm working on is a silicone mat. It works really well because the sheets don't stick to it. So you're gonna peel this off. And then I like to turn it upside down. Put the image upside down on the sticky part. Then you can flip it back over, put it back on the sheet, and then you can take a little roller or the edge of a credit card. Just have this fuzzy scraper. And you just want to smooth that down so you get all the bubbles out. And you can see you have the hologram effect on the ribbon. And just stick this back in the cutter and cut it out. And now you've got your sparkle piece. All right, let's do another one. Let's put the shattered glass on the seconds. So again, I'm just gonna peel this off. And I pre-cut them to these smaller sizes so that I don't waste the film, and two, it doesn't stick to you when you peel it off because you can just carefully put it down. You need about a 4-inch length so that when you put it in the cutter, it doesn't get stuck. So again, take the sticky part is facing up, you can see, and then you take your image and you put it face down on top of the hologram. And then flip it back over, put it back on the sheet, smooth it out. And this one is very sparkly, look at that. Woo! And you are going to get the backing piece out, but that piece is important because if you don't have that, it's going to stick in there. Peel it off. And if you just flick this corner up, you get it to peel off. If one corner doesn't work, flip and do another corner. Okay, peel it off. Image side facing down. Smooth out all the bubbles. This one's super sparkly. It gives that illusion of no sparkle. So it's different than actually having the whole piece be sparkle. I like this one too. It's a little bit of a laser. Decided to go for a fly. All right, I have 4 more. Let's do a couple more. And then I'm gonna show you something else you can do with these sparkly sheets after. I think I might be able to get 2 on here. Let's see. This is my favorite one. Just these little stars. It's like Tinkerbell pixie dust. I love it. You all know how much I love sparkles. It's my Trademark. All things sparkly. Let's do these ones on the shattered one. Peel this fairly slow because it could be staticky and you don't want it to stick back on itself, because then you'll have a crease like tape almost and you'll have to start over. Print side down. I think also pre-cutting the image for me lets you see where to cut it out. You don't have to worry about getting it centered again because you can see your cut line. Okay, and we're gonna turn these pieces into buttons, and I will show you that. All right, something else you can do with these sheets that's fun is you can make sparkly loops out of this too. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. All right, so I have a 4-inch piece, up a little bit. Same thing, you can take your sheet. You can buy these in the variety pack where you get all the designs in one pack, or you can buy just the pattern you like. So again, sticky side up, put your right side facing down because that's the one part you want to see. Put this back on and smooth out all the wrinkles. And then just take your scissors, trim this up. You probably would not want to do this for a lot of rosettes, but you could do this for a special one. It's a little bit time consuming. Then, you know, take your embellishments or just leave it plain, as you have now this very sparkly loop. Look at that. Look at how that sparkles. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So you can make any of your ribbon sparkle. These sheets work. So pretty. Let's turn these into buttons. These ones I made are silver, so I'm going to use the silver sparkle rings. If they were gold, I would use the gold sparkle rings. So you're going to put your top in. You can tell which is the top and which is the bottom because the top has like a little dome and the bottom is flat. Actually, there's two pieces here. So the dome goes in first, that goes like that. Then you'll put your sparkle piece in, put your ring on. You don't have to put this mylar on, but I like to because what it's gonna do is give this a better seal and keep things from getting underneath that accent, right? Just has a little bit of magic. That's why I like the star one best, just a little bit. Whereas if we do the shattered glass one, look at that. Whoa, it's so sparkly. So if you put that with these loops, whoa. Then if you want to make it really sparkly, look at this. Look at that. So you just need some of these holographic clear laminating sheets. Come in all different patterns. These are just 4 patterns. There's actually more. There's bigger stars, there's hearts, there's waves, there's a whole bunch of different patterns you can get. Sparkle on, maker friends, sparkle on.